Good morning children, back to Hindi class. Now, we will revise once all the old letters. Then we will learn two more new letters. Okay? Shall we start revision? We have learned R2 AHA letters and Ka to Ma. Yes? And we have learned Ya, Ra, La, Va, Sha, Sha. Now today we will learn two more new letters. Sa, Ha. What is this? Apple. And this is sun. Yes? Apple is called in Hindi Seb. Sun is called in Hindi Suraj. Seb, Suraj. Now, what is the first letter? Sa, Seb. Sa, Suraj. So, first letter is Sa. Sa se Seb, Sa se Suraj. Now, what is this? Elephant. And this is hand. Okay? In English, we will say elephant, hand. What do we say in Hindi? Elephant is called in Hindi Hathi. What is this? Hathi. Hand is called in Hindi Hath. Hand is called in Hindi Hath. Hathi, Hath. What is the first letter pronunciation? Ha. This is the letter Ha. Ha se Hathi, Ha se Hath. Now once we read again, Sa se Seb, Sa se Suraj. Sa se Seb, Sa se Suraj. Ha se Hathi, Ha se Hath. Okay, shall we start writing? Shall we start writing? Now see, what is this picture? Apple. Apple is called in Hindi Seb. Yes, Seb. Now how to write Sa letter? See here. First you write starting line, go up, again come down. Now sleeping line, again standing line. Now see here, fifth step is sleeping line. Now write again, trace this again. 1, go up, 2, come down, 3, sleeping line, 4, standing line, 5, sleeping line. Sa. What is this letter? Sa. Sa se Seb. Now write this again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is fourth step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 5 steps, this letter is Sa. Sa. Sa se Seb. Sa se Seb. Sa se Seb. Sa se Suraj also. Sa se Suraj. Sa se Seb. Sa se Suraj. Sa se Seb. Sa se Suraj. Sa se Seb. Now what is this picture? Elephant. Elephant is called in Hindi Hathi. The first letter is Ha. 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 Now write this. First you trace the mother letter. Standing line. Left curve. Come down. Now third step is write like a circle like this. Touch this. Again you come down like fourth step. Now this is fifth step, sleeping line. Now trace again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is 5. Ha. What is this letter? Ha. Ha. Ha se Hathi. Ha say hathi. And one more is ha say hath, hand. You can say ha say hath also. Ha say hathi, ha say hath. Ha say hathi, ha say hath. Ha say hathi, ha say hath. Practice is in the notebook. Bye children.